I don't think there's anything like this out there. There's not enough education of AI and how to use it in business.
In the immediate right now, there's things that I need to do each day at work that are time consuming.
I've always thought, you've got to be skilled at putting together a good prompt, but never really thought about getting the tool to actually provide you the prompt.
And the facilitators have been brilliant in their hands-on working examples of how you could build AI on the fly. It's been so impressive.
But it's been a good amount of theory too, which I think has been important to sort of simply understand what is happening behind the screen with AI.
I think for business leaders like myself, we're kind of expecting our organisations to deploy AI, but I think as leaders, we really need to understand the power, the capability.
These are tools and techniques that I will be walking out the door today and deploying in my business.